Fill in the blanks with the simple past or past perfect tense of the verbs given in brackets. First you write your answer, then I will provide the correct answer with the explanations. Let's start the test. 1. The thief dash away before the police dash, run, come. 2. After I dash the news of his death, I dash to his residence. Here, rush. 3. Last Sunday, we dashed to watch the movie, go. For the umbrella man dash that he dashed to bring his wallet. Find, forget. 5. Before we dash to the police, they dash the thief. Report, catch. 6. When we dashed to see him, he had already dashed his house. Go, leave. 7. Harry dash that he dashed the movie before. Say, see. 8. He dash us at the end of last month. Visit. 9. The aeroplane dashed safely before its engine dashed down. Land, break. 10. He dashed that he would get a job by the end of this month. Hope. Here are the answers, along with explanations for the correct usage of simple past and past perfect tenses. 1. The thief had run away before the police came. Reason, the past perfect, had run, is used for the action that occurred first, and the simple past, came, is used for the later action. 2. After I had heard the news of his death, I rushed to his residence. Reason, the past perfect, had heard, shows the action that happened first, and the simple past, rushed, indicates the second action. 3. Last Sunday, we went to watch the movie. Reason, this is a single event in the past, so the simple past, went, is used. 4. The umbrella man found that he had forgotten to bring his wallet. Reason, the simple past, found, indicates when he realized it, and the past perfect, had forgotten, is for the earlier action. 5. Before we reported to the police, they had caught the thief. Reason, the action of reporting, reported, is in the simple past because it is a straightforward action that occurred. The catching of the thief, had caught, is in the past perfect because it happened before the reporting. So, the correct sentence is, before we reported to the police, they had caught the thief. 6. When we went to see him, he had already left his house. Reason, the simple past, went, shows the time of the visit, and the past perfect, had left, is used to indicate he left before that. 7. Harry said that he had seen the movie before. Reason, the simple past, said, shows Harry's statement, and the past perfect, had seen, indicates that the movie watching happened earlier. 8. He visited us at the end of last month. Reason, this is a specific event in the past, so the simple past, visited, is used. 9. The aeroplane had landed safely before its engine broke down. Reason, the past perfect, had landed, indicates the first event, and the simple past, broke, refers to the second event. 10. He had hoped that he would get a job by the end of this month. The past perfect tense is used with verbs like hope, suppose, think, expect, etc., to show that the action of hoping or similar mental states occurred before another event in the past. Had hoped, past perfect, emphasizes that the hope was formed before something else in the past.